So now we're into the first solo. There's going to be 4 phrases here that are all built around the same basic idea. The first phrase goes like this. So this phrase uses notes from the E minor pentatonic for the most part. I'm going to step off the wah-wah here, click. We're going to bend 2nd fret of the G string up a whole step, then grab the top string open, followed by the B string open. Now bend from the 3rd fret of the B string, and then grab the top 2 strings open again. So E string followed by the B string. So far we've done this. Now we're going to play on the 3rd fret of the top 2 strings, followed by the open E, open B. Back to the 3rd fret of the B, bend, followed by the open high E, open B. Shift positions now. I'm going to play 7G along with 8 on the B. And then from the 2nd fret, you're just going to kind of slide up. It's more of an effect than anything else. You'll have this idea of... And I just slide up on the G string. So that's the first phrase.